So then, Dom, I can't remember what day we're on, day 4 and 5 probably.
No idea.
Talk us through yesterday, because yesterday was a bit of a busy day for you, wasn't it?
Well, let's be blunt, yesterday was a total blur. After doing 4 laps around there tonight, it's just totally got out of my mind, obliterated out of my mind. But I'm trying to think, what did we get up to yesterday? So I know we did a lot of changes on the big bike, and we did lots of changes on these, because the first night on the 250 we were bedding in pistons. Second night we just opened up the door a bit more, but especially on the John Chapman 250 here, it's a different animal. You know, you've got to learn to trust the corners around here, and you've got to keep them singing. And when you go from the 4-stroke element, where you can just pick it up off every gear, it's so hard to keep these things singing. So, you know, the pace is hottening, like really getting hot, especially in that race, which is tomorrow. Where's that week gone? It's absolutely blown my mind here. So, but there's no rest for the wicked. The Davies team are looking after the John Chapman motorcycle, which you can see. Colin here, you won't get many words out of Colin at the moment because he's flat out busy. So just constantly checking pistons, constantly keeping an eye on the clutch plates and all that, which is fantastic, which is good.
So talk us through tonight, shall we say? So for people that are going to watch this probably tomorrow by now, Thursday night. So talk us through Thursday night. How did you find it, and what did you do on all 3 machines?
God, Bennett. So we only got one lap on the big 750. You know, just scrubbing a tyre and just get used to it. But even then, you know, people have picked up 2-3 mile an hour. Here we go, a late returner chugging away in the background there. Go on, son. I thought I was the last one out tonight. But no. So 750, we've got that ready for the race, which is obviously on Monday. But we'll get a couple of times to dial that in. 7 on the 500, I was the last one on the road, and that's a surreal moment, because you know they let me out on the road. I had no other chase. There we are, and we've got Johnny Cash in there, John Davies, the team owner there. He's absolutely over the moon. It's hard to put a smile on his face. I'm only joking. He's a happy lad. He's a happy lad. So no, we're getting the little 500. Haven't done a flying lap on that yet, but I think we qualified second tonight, I believe, which is fantastic. So we're able to pick it up, and just getting, because the chassis is so light in it, it's just very flighty underneath, so you have to change your body language. When you're going from a big bike onto a GP bike, they're so nailed to the floor. The little 500, it's just moving around a bit, and you've really got to use your head, and for a little head like mine, it takes a lot of thought process. And tonight, yeah, I'm not going to lie to you, I'm gutted about my speed on this, not because of the bike, solely because when you've got such a smile on your face, you feel like you're king of the mountain, and you're like, this is outstanding. And that is the biggest problem here. When you feel fast, it's not a fast lap. But that almost ruins this place. The stopwatch almost ruins it, because you just, that felt amazing. But I've just proven by the rest of the lap times, I've got to pull my finger out. We've got a lot more finger to pull out.
What's planned for tomorrow then? Obviously you've got a little bit of a practice lap before I believe you're out on that one tomorrow, is that right?
I have no idea what I'm out on, but beggars can't be choosers. No, I'm very lucky to be riding for the Davies team, the John Chapman team, as well as the Bob Henderson team. So I'll do as I'm told, to be blunt. But it's not looking too clever for the weather. But bear in mind, I've just done 4 laps in the Isle of Man. The weather can just flip of a coin, it can just change at any point. So
Are you feeling comfortable? Are you feeling ready to race though?
Yeah, just
no more changes that you feel like you can make?
You know what, the bike's absolutely brilliant. I'm still sporting an injury from February, and then we got it fixed for our Moy, you know, thanks to my surgeons, but we're going backwards. But it's like everything, things move, and next year I'm already looking forward to, but I'm over the moon that I'm racing here at the Manx Grand Prix, and we're getting to go racing.
Well, cheers, thanks Dom, and good luck tomorrow.
Thank you so much, man. See you in a bit.